So this TikTok video right here made $135,000, and you don't even have to show your face to generate a video like this.
You can literally record yourself
Doing whatever you want, then change your face,
change your voice,
and literally get a video that looks the same way. Now, my name is Michael Bernstein. We have generated hundreds of millions of views on TikTok with organic content, and I just want to show you how to make really good TikTok videos that actually go viral and then make you a bunch of money, especially using TikTok Shop. So the very first thing you have to understand is don't be creative. Whatever you do, just take a video that already exists, like this one for example, and then use the same exact video concept and just change a little thing. Let's take the same exact video as an example. You could literally insert every single fidget toy out there into this video and it would still work. This video went viral for a reason, alright? No videos just go viral by themselves. So you can expect this same exact video doing well again if you have another satisfying product that you just showcase. And you can basically use viral TikTok videos as an example of what you have to do and just change one thing up. What we've seen works extremely well is if you take a video that did really well in Spain and then translate it to the US, or the other way around, something which did really well in the US and you just translate it to Spanish, or you just take a product that is done for product A and just change it to product B. But you take 90% of the video, which already is proven to work for yourself, and you just change one thing. And there's basically two ways of finding really viral good videos. The first one is just going on Kalo Data and finding them over there. You can also see how much revenue they made, which is great. But however, you have to understand that Kalo Data updates a little too late. Most viral videos, you're only going to see if you actually have a really good optimized TikTok account and you're actually in their TikTok account on your burner account scrolling. And the way to optimize your burner account the best, and I don't want to make the video too technical, so you can pause the video right here. I'm going to put up the instruction on how to create a perfect burner account somewhere here on screen, so you can pause the video, read through it if you want to, and we can go into the next points. The other thing you have to keep in mind, comments matter a lot. So if you see a viral video that went viral for no real particular reason but the comment, you can actually take that comment, copy it, and create a sheet for yourself with viral comments. And whenever you post a new video, you put up one or two viral comments in there, which did well on other posts, which makes sense on yours. And then you basically will see that the video picks up in traction much faster because people engage with that comment and your whole video does significantly better. This is something which most people don't know about, but is a really powerful trick. The next thing we have to talk about, which is just insane at this point, AI content with before after effects. If you have a product that actually works, for example, like this shapewear, you can see videos of it like these where you can clearly see it actually does work. So the before after effect is there. The only problem is you actually have to be a fat girl yourself who wears this and then looks skinnier, which is really hard to replicate because most of you are not fat girls. The thing you can do here though is you can actually take videos like these and regenerate them using AI for the same exact product. It's very important that you actually make sure that you don't have super unrealistic claims, because if the people will get the product and it doesn't work at all, it's just going to be really bad for you in terms of bans, etc. But we can show you here how a video like this was literally just regenerated using AI. And here again, if you keep the concept from earlier in mind, which is take videos 90%, just change one thing. So you can take the same exact video, just take the girl and put her in a different location, or take the girl and make her look a little bit different, or let her speak in another language, or do something which is just going to be a little bit new about it. That's all it takes to make a viral banger video. Keep in mind, these videos convert like crazy. You can see videos like these with like 3 million views and $112,000 which were made. Ridiculous. If we compare that to the fidget toy, you're obviously going to see the conversion rates are significantly worse. The revenue is 135K, so roughly the same, but the views are like over 3 times more. So the conversion per million views is significantly lower. Why? Because this is a fucking fidget toy. This is not a really useful product. This is just something which you would buy maybe, but the other thing is actually super useful. You can see the clear before after effect, which is really strong, and this is something which just makes sense to buy. So that's the crazy thing about AI right now. Till literally a few months ago, you had to be in the audience. You had to be a fat girl to promote shapewear. It's not possible to do shapewear products without being that or paying someone to do that. And it's really hard to even find a girl who's willing to put herself out there, show her face, show that she is fat, and then she's using it and she looks much better. It's literally something which is almost impossible to do. And now you can actually jump into these opportunities and make a crazy amount of money. Now, the way you should approach this is volume and quality. Take a video that is proven to convert for sure and just change it 100 times. So you take that shapewear video and you recreate it with 100 different women, and that's it. For those of you who don't know this, how TikTok Shop actually works is the conversion rates are significantly better than with organic dropship. If you would make the same exact video for the same exact shapewear and just post it as an organic TikTok video with a link to your Shopify store, you would probably make 5 to 10 times less money than if you would just have a TikTok Shop link. Why? Well, because everything stays in TikTok. Because TikTok has really high regulations who they actually approve to be a seller, people associate significantly better shipping times, significantly better quality with the TikTok Shop versus Shopify. People see TikTok Shop closer to Amazon than just some random link where they go online. It's a shady website, they've never seen it before. People who bought online, they know dropshipping products take forever to arrive, there's issues with it, and TikTok Shop just bans you straight up right away if your shipping times are not on point. So you have to deliver, which makes the whole platform convert better. The other thing is also that TikTok gives you virality, significantly more virality, if you have a TikTok Shop link in the bio versus if you have some sort of Shopify link. Because for TikTok, it obviously makes a lot of sense to actually promote your video if you make money for TikTok as a native platform. TikTok gets a cut of every single TikTok Shop sale, so they want to push videos which do best. The way to get the best possible brand deals is not really by reaching out to the brands, etc., but by having a person who already has all the connections. What we actually do in our mentorship program, we connect you with the brands that do currently by far the best with AI content or with UGC content, and we just have a really big variety of brands which pay you really good affiliate commissions. I'm genuinely still in shock on how crazy the opportunity of affiliate right now is, because you actually don't have to worry about anything else except for making good content. If you just go viral and just have a good brand deal from us, that's it. That's literally all you need. There's nothing else you need to make like 10, 20K profit a month, which is ridiculous. This is not something which was ever possible. You couldn't just start a business without even having a business, without even having to deal with any of the problems which a business has. You don't have customer complaints. You don't have any problems in general. The two things we kind of help you with in the mentorship program is, number one, finding the best possible products and brand deals. We just give you the best products and we just connect you with a brand which sells these products. And you're also going to have really good commission rates, which you will get in pure profit. We're going to show you exactly which content does the best right now. I've shown you the way to research what goes viral in general and what does the best, but you're not going to be able to have the overview which we're having currently. We have hundreds of super advanced creators in our program, which makes us have an overview over the entire industry. There's no bigger community than ours for TikTok Shop affiliates. What we see is a whole market overview over everything that works right now. And that's a really big competitive advantage for everyone who's inside, because we just share everything that works well to everyone at the same time in real time. And the craziest thing is it's almost impossible to keep up with all these new AI tools every few months because they just get better so fucking fast. It's ridiculous how much better the whole space have gotten over the last few months. And you're still just using ChatGPT. Every few months there's a new tool. It's not the old tools which get better, but it's a new tool which comes out, which outperforms the old tool, which then makes more sense to use. And that's why you have to stay on top of it. Every single week, there's a new student who tells me about an AI tool, and we're like, oh my God, this is significantly better. Let me share it across the board. So if you want to be part of the community where you have early access to literally everything which is out there for good TikTok videos, if you want to have the best possible brand deals, if you want to have one-on-one calls with our team every single week to just look at your content and tell you if it's good or bad, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and we're going to see if it's a good fit.